Hello, I just wanted to go through essay number 4, specific guidelines for it. Um, it is not an in-class essay. You're not expected to be on campus at all for this paper, so don't worry. This class is entirely online, including the movie. For this particular learning module this week, I'm working on it right now on streaming the movie that we're going to be watching. It's probably going to be The Social Network. In the past, we have done um, Children of Men. Essentially the movie changes a little bit each semester, but it's probably going to be The Social Network. But for this assignment, you're going to be analyzing the film based on a specific theme. Now, the theme here is The Social Network shows that any great invention or discovery comes at a price. So for that particular movie, you'll notice that he ends up becoming more and more lonely, more and more ostracized on his quest for success. And Zuckerberg does not seem to be intent on making lots of money, but certainly he is intent on making his project, uh, Facebook, popular and gaining some notoriety because of it. And along the way, he ends up losing his best friend. He ends up being a jerk to his girlfriend, all these other things. And so that's basically what you would look at, how that sort of striving for success ruins Zuckerberg, right? The 3 body paragraphs after the intro should each illustrate the theme. So the organization that I have suggested, which makes the most sense, is intro and thesis, and then 3 specific scenes that illustrate the theme that any great invention or discovery comes at a price. Now, this is the only paper in this entire class that does not use textual support. We're working with a movie, so you do not need to use quotes, right? If you wanted to look up some extra information, you can go to the web page, IMDb. I'll write that, maybe up here. So there's a web page, imdb.com, where you can look up information on this particular movie. If you do use that web page, you will be expected to cite it. In parentheses, you can simply put imdb.com, right? But you're not expected to do that at all. But in case you want to look up info, there it is. You do need to be very specific in describing these scenes in your body paragraph, right? So in boldface, I put include very specific details from the film, as this is your only means of support. Do not summarize the plot in your body paragraphs. This is not a summary essay. You're looking at the main idea and picking 3 specific scenes to illustrate that main idea.